Yeah, she's one of a kind.
In some oil to my saucepan, some onions and some pepper. And to make curry rice, you need a very good brand of curry powder, and so I'm going to be recommending this Kivo 100% natural curry plus powder. Guys, this is not a regular curry powder. This curry powder has 16 natural spices put together. It has no salt, no MSG. So just imagine this spice mix in your jollof. Now I'm going to add in my rice, mix it together with my curry powder, and then add in some water. Do not add a lot of water. You're not making rice balls here. You don't want the rice to be too soft. Whilst you're cooking your rice, you're going to stir fry your vegetables with some proteins. If you like, don't add any proteins. It's all up to you. You can make it vegetable rice and that's fine. Add in some seasoning and then you're going to check on your rice. Now my rice is ready and I'm going to add in the vegetable mix to this and then give this a good mix. You can see how vibrant the color is, all thanks to my Kivo 100% curry plus powder. I love it. Just cover it and let it cook well and you have your rice ready. I'm trying not to be so boring with my cooking, so I'm just going to make some quick turkey sauce by adding in my pepper mix, some stock, some seasoning. Add in your fried or grilled turkey, or you can use any protein that you want to use here. Just give this a good mix and you have your sauce ready. Now you're going to pair this with your curry rice and you guys, you will love it. So if you're here and you're tired of eating plain rice every day, plain rice, please switch it up a bit and make this recipe. Honestly, this meal is very easy to make, so I hope you guys try it.
She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that